Today we are making cottage bacon, which is a bacon made out of pork shoulder or pork butt rather than the belly. It's a little less fatty and way more cost effective. A slightly healthier option. Since we are aiming for a healthier bacon, we are removing the really large portions of fat caps on the outside. If you're not concerned about it, do you, boo? We are cutting our shoulder into about 1.5 inch thick pieces because we are going to run ours through a meat slicer. So we're just kind of sizing up what we want for our bacon strips. We are going to mix up our cure mixture, and this is for a 10-pound batch of bacon. 11 grams of cure, 80 grams of salt, 60 grams of pepper, 40 grams of paprika, and 70 grams of brown sugar. If you missed the recipe, don't worry, I will leave it in the description box down below. We are going to take that mixture and we are going to coat every square inch of these pork slices. We are going to use every bit of the cure mixture. Once we have a generous coat of the cure mixture onto our pork slabs, we are going to put them into a plastic Ziploc bag. We have decided that this is probably the easiest way to go through the curing process. Whatever you do, do not use metal. The cure will corrode any metal items that it comes in contact with, so you want to use plastic or glass. We tried Tupperware containers and that didn't work out so hot. Plastic bags just seem to be so much easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in the refrigerator for 7 days, and every 24 hours we're going to turn them 180 degrees. And that's important to keep the cure nice and even all the way around. So now we're back after 1 week and we are rinsing our pork slabs and getting them all ready and clean to cook them. So we decided to smoke them, but you just want to make sure you cook everything to 145 degrees, which is fully cooked for pork at minimum. And however you want to do it is how you want to do it. You could actually cook it in the oven if you'd like. Here we are slicing up our bacon. We have a meat slicer, so it's the most convenient, and we always vacuum seal our goods because it helps keep it fresher for longer. For the most part, we use our breakfast bacon alongside of, like breakfast, eggs, or whatever. We also do like it on BLTs. However, we've found that it's not really great for wrapping things, so you're not going to want to try to use this to make jalapeno poppers. In my opinion, it's best served extra crispy, borderline burnt, but that's also how I like my bacon. I strongly encourage you guys to give making cottage bacon a try, and if you do, let me know in the comment section down below. I would like to thank you guys for watching, and I truly appreciate every view, like, and comment that I receive. I will see you guys in the next video.